Eli, Selassie, King Rastafari. Greetings, black people, here at home and abroad. We say black power to all black people, black laws for all black people, enough love and respect to African black ancestors, those who came before us, those who paved the way for us. Give enough love and respect to the mothers of the nation, the mothers of the black race, the fathers of the nation, the fathers of the black race. Enough love and respect to our black brothers and black sisters who keep black and African under all circumstances and conditions. So enough love and respect, my family. We say one black love to all black people. Let's work together. Let's build oneness among us. Let's build harmony among us. Let's build collective thought, collective cooperation among us. Let's build oneness every time. Let's always try to strive for togetherness. We say Harambe, Harambe. Black people, unity among our people is very essential, especially in this time when we find ourselves being subjected, being under terrorism, because we are being dominated by aliens, we are being dominated by other races, we are being dominated by other nations. As African nation, as a black race. So it's very essential for us to take into cognizance the fact that we are still dominated, and there is a need for us to strive for freedom, liberation, total liberation in all aspects. We need freedom for us, because freedom is the only state that can bring sanity to us, that can bring fulfillment to us, that can secure our desires, our aspirations, our needs, and also secure our life. If we are free, we will be secured. But if we are not free, we will live the life of birds. We will live the life of chickens. We will live the life of goats, sheep and cattle. We will lead a life of fools and clowns who are ready to be slaughtered anytime by those who have power, resources, and science to destroy us. So this is very essential, my people, for us to understand, because in this time we must bring security in our families, in our nation, in our black race, in the black communities. We must build this necessary unity among us, and this unity that we are talking about is unity in our Afrikanness. It's unity in our blackness, because in neo-coloniality and coloniality we can't attain unity, because that is about division, separation, destruction of the African thought, family and community. The imposed system of white supremacy is meant to destroy us, so we cannot use the framework, we cannot use the centers of coloniality to advance our national agenda. This is very important, my people, for us to understand that the unity will come when we African people are centered around our blackness, around our Afrikanness, not in coloniality, not in South Africanness, not in democracy fantasy, not in socialist fantasy, not in Christian fantasy, Islamic fantasy,